welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Well, I guess an unbagging. And as you can see in the title, we are also going to be smashing mini Rubik's Cubes. So that's something I'm excited about. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so I have three things, and I'm first going to start with the carbon fiber. So I got this actually a few days ago, and I like it a lot, and it's smooth, it's pretty quiet, and I love the texture of the carbon fiber stickers. They have started to peel a little bit, but it's pretty cheap on Amazon, so I think it was worth it. Okay, and the next thing is this windmill. So I'm going to be showing a tutorial on how to solve it in my next video. And let's get it out of the box. So it was also pretty cheap, and it's really smooth and stickerless, and I like it a lot. And as you can see, it's called the windmill because if you do the checkered pattern on it, see, and you move these middle twice, it's like a windmill kind of. So that's the windmill. And then I also bought the mini Rubik's Cubes. We're gonna smash a few of them. So the cool thing about them is they're really cheap, and they can actually turn and mix up, and they're actually pretty good. And I'm gonna do some patterns on them. So we have the donut. And then the checkered pattern. So it's kind of hard to turn, but because they're so cheap, I'd say it's worth it. And because we're gonna be smashing them. And so I'm excited for that. Let's go smash them. Okay, we are outside and we're gonna be smashing them. Okay, let's do this. Oh!
That scared me.
And now it's time for twin sis. Now it's little sis. Try to get as many pieces as we could back. Here they are. It's a lot. You can guess in the comments how much you think that is.